Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to post on Zillow for rent. All right, so I'm going to walk you through the current Zillow Rental Manager workflow for posting a property for rent based on Zillow's current listing page and help documentation. Okay, now Zillow currently describes the process in three broad stages, which is to add the property details and images, set the monthly rent, publish, and share. And where you do that, you have to go to the Zillow Rental Manager. So open your web browser and go to Zillow Rental Manager. On the page, you see fields for street address, property type, along with options, all right, indicating whether the property is a room for rent with shared living space. All right, so on the rental manager, just go ahead and click on add a property. Well, this is not what you see first once you welcome to the page. Well, on the Zillow rental manager page, see that this is what you see. All right, because I tried to go back to the home page, but it's still taking me back here. All right, so here where you have add a property, just go ahead and click on add a property from the top right corner of the screen, and then it takes you here where you can now add your street address. So I'm just going to use kind of street address. So let's say I have that, then you have to select your property tab. It's saying house there, unit number 4, and just go and click on create listing. Now Zillow supports rental listings such as house, townhome, condo, apartment, room for rent, and whatnot. So just click on confirm. So once you enter the address and select property tab, just go ahead and click on confirm, and it takes you to a page where, or to a form where you can now start setting up your listing. So there are a couple of phases in this. You have your rental details, media, amenities, screening criteria, cost, fees, final details, and review. We're just going to run you're gonna have your total bedroom, let's say 3, total bathroom, 2. I'll click on next. So how much you're gonna input security deposit. Do you want to promote a special offer? You can add that, or just click to next. And here you're gonna have to add a picture of your house, or you need to ensure that the pictures are actually appealing, and click on next. It takes you to amenities where you have to add all of this. So just go ahead and choose the tick or check the boxes that apply. I'm sorry. So I'm just going to click on next, property arrangement. I'm just checking anything that comes to my mind because I just want you to know how it works. If you have additional amenities, put that thing there, and click on next. I don't know how that works, but I'm just putting up anything. But ensure that what you're writing or what you're applying, it actually relates to your listing. Are pets allowed? No or yes. Put that in. What additional fees do you charge? You can add this if you add additional fees. And next we have final details. You can say what do well. So of course, write something that you like to know. Do you require tenants to obtain renters assurance? You can say yes, I require, or no, and click on next. And then you have your final details listed by who. Select what applies and click on next. This is where you have to add your phone number so that Zillow can verify that it is you. And once that's done, the last step is to actually click on publish to publish the rental. All right, so before publishing, carefully go through the listing and then click on publish. All right, so once you publish it, Zillow's current listing page describes the final stage as publishing and sharing with renters in your area. So after publication, Zillow says that the listing can be distributed across its rental network, including Zillow, Trulia, and Hotpad. So your rental is now available for prospective renters to discover Posting the property isn't the end of the process. While once your listing is live, you can use Zillow Rental Manager to manage renter interactions and the rest of the rental process. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.